Guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're a new subscriber, then welcome to the Pineapple Squad, and if you are a returning subscriber, then welcome back. So my name is Marilenny, and yeah, this is my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys a very simple everyday makeup routine that I've been doing the last, like it's so funny, I've had this bag full of makeup, like literally in the same bag. Like I haven't even like touched it. Like I feel like all the makeup is like everywhere, and I've been moving, traveling back to New York and back to North Carolina. So this is like my favorite makeup that I've literally been using for, I want to say since August of last year. So it's been many months. So if you want to know which are my favorite products for an everyday look, super simple, super fast, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start with primer. My face is clean. I literally just not woke up, but I literally just started my day and it's already like 4:35. You know. So first I am going to prime, and I've really been liking this e.l.f. poreless face primer. I actually saw a video of this. Where was it? I saw somewhere. I was looking for like the best primers to put in my kit, and this is one I found, and I was like, oh, let me just keep it for me, right? So that is the primer I'm going to use right now, and this does make my skin feel really soft, and I feel like it's a good barrier, so I've been using it. And for foundation, because I've been like traveling and everything, and I feel like it's so hard to find your perfect shade. I have been using the Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation. You guys know this is my favorite. Like, this is like a foundation that I could just go to Walmart, pick it up, and I'll know that it won't disappoint. And my shade is 330. I'm sorry if I have like a glare or something. I have the window open, and yeah, you know. This look is going to be really simple, guys. It's not going to be anything crazy. It's just like my easy, everyday makeup, get up and go. And what do you guys think of my skin? I feel like now that I'm pregnant, my skin is getting like so much better, and my nails, girl, my nails are popping. Like, I know that happens and everything, but whoa, I am in love. And I know that I've been putting a lot of baby videos, because I feel like that's like all I'm inspired to do right now. It's just so weird. But please let me know down below what other videos I should film, because I know that I have a lot of subscribers that have been here before the whole baby military move, so I don't want to like push you guys away. So definitely let me know down below which videos you want to watch, because I feel like I'm stuck a little bit. I don't even know like what to film when it comes to like regular videos, you know. I'm actually gonna take my sponge. I'm just gonna dab, just in case I have any streaks. So for concealer, I've really been loving the ColourPop No Filter concealer. I feel like this concealer doesn't let me down. Like, it's like my favorite. And the shade that I'm going to use is Dark 40. Very good concealer. I absolutely love this concealer. I have it in like, I think 3 shades. So I'm just going to use this one first, because it's like really close to my skin tone. And then I'm going to go in with shade 38. So I'm going to go in with 2 shades. Dos. Alright, so I think that's better. I think you guys can see me now. Alright, so like I said, I'm going to go in with another shade. And this is mainly to like make it bright, because I've been very tired. Just like the coverage is beautiful. Everything is just amazing. Like, I really, really love this concealer. Alright, so now for powder. I've been obsessed with this powder, and this is the Set the Stage Ultra Fine Loose Setting Powder by Collab Cosmetics, and I do get this at Sally's Beauty Supply. Juicy Jazz on YouTube, she was talking about it, and I was like, let me go check it out. So I did, and I've been obsessed. So that's how it looks like. Just love how it just makes it so bright and very nice. Alright guys, so now for powder, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I don't have the powder in the same shade as the foundation. For some reason they don't go together, like the shades are different, because as you guys know, these two do go together. And I have mine in 332 Golden Caramel. Just looks like this. So alright, so now I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Mega Glow, what is this? Mega Glow contouring thingy majiggy. You guys know this has been like my favorite for so long. And I'm just going to take this color right here. And I like to put this on my eyelids because I have darker eyelids. And I just want everything to like mash together because I want to look awake. You know what I mean? So... or I need to stop saying ha 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 because it's getting a little like annoying. And for my eyebrows, I am gonna go in with the LA Girl Brown Pomade, and I have mine in dark brown. And guys, if you guys don't need to like waste your money using the Anastasia one and purchasing it, because that could be a little expensive, you know what I mean? So I personally recommend you guys to try this one from LA Girls. I feel like it's the same thing. And it lasts longer than the Anastasia one. I personally feel like the Anastasia one dries out very, very fast. And to pay almost $20 for one of these and have it dry out, no. They're not doing very good, obviously. As you guys can see, they're not doing very good. But I'm just going to quickly do my eyebrows. It's nothing crazy, and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I did my eyebrows. They are a little thick because I'm letting them grow. In a regular day, I don't carve them out because who got time for that? Right? So now I'm just going to use my Rimmel London Stay Matte Powder. And you guys know I love these, like the translucent one. But I actually found a bronzer shade. So we're going to use that to contour. If I could only find my brush. Okay, I found it. Okay, and it's falling apart. Okay, stop. Alright, this is the e.l.f. contouring brush. You guys know I love it. Just going to take some... This doesn't do a lot, but hey, it does the job. Just bring some color back into my face. And now I'm just gonna use my favorite blush, and it has been this one. I don't know if they're drugstore, but they are really cheap. This is the Doka something cheek palette. I'll leave it down below. This is like really cheap, but I just don't know if they're drugstore because I don't see them in the drugstore, but they're really cheap. So I'm gonna say it's drugstore, okay? Drugstore. Obviously cannot say drugstore. Okay, but this is my favorite blush of all time. I've been using this forever. Just gonna put a little bit. I've been loving blush these days. I love it. Alright, so as you guys can see, like this blush just looks so beautiful. I love it. It is a little heavy-handed, as you can see, but I love it, so I'm gonna keep it. Alright, so now I'm just gonna use some highlights, and I've been loving this Pixie by Petra highlight in the little quad, and this is the little Delicate Dew quad. Ew, what is this? Alright, I need to clean this bag because almost 6 months of using stuff and I don't even know what's there. But I'm gonna use it with this Pixie brush right here. So, oh, duh. I'm gonna use this color right here just because this is like way too light for me. Like, girl, I ain't white. Alright. Yeah, this is no joke. Love it. Oh my god, my little hairs. Take my beauty blender because it is a little too much for every day, y'all. But I love it. Now for mascara, I've really been loving the Nika K New York waterproof mascara, and it looks like this. And this was actually $2.99, and I did buy it at the beauty supply. I have like no eyelash on this eye because my sister was doing my eyebrows and she cut all my eyelashes. Oh my god, I can't. I am that person that hates putting on mascara. It's so uncomfortable, so uncomfortable. For last, I'm gonna use this. Oh my god, guys, it has like no name. Like I want to say L'Oreal, because I know they have like this packaging, but I don't remember because I've been using this for so long. It kind of rubbed everything off. But I'm just gonna take this on my eyebrows. This is so freaking old. I think I should throw this out. I've been loving this lip liner from NYX, and this is a professional, no, what is this? The shade is Downtown Beauty, and it looks like there's like a brown lip liner. And I've really been loving it. I'm like totally into the brown looking lip liner lately. So, and now also from NYX, I'm obsessed with NYX lip stuff, obviously. I'm gonna use this butter gloss in Strawberry Parfait. And that is it. So this is the look that I had for you guys today. It's nothing crazy, nothing out of this world, but these are my favorite products from the drugstore that I've been using. I honestly don't find the need to use products that's not drugstore. Like, I love drugstore makeup. So this is the video that I had for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the little notification bell down below so every time I upload you will be notified immediately. And thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, God bless you, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.